gonna go home and refuel and yeah. What the audio sounds like without the DJI mic. This is what the audio sounds like with the DJI mic. So, this is what I guess it sounds like with noise cancellation. I want to see what the audio sounds like on the Osmo Action 5. I think it's really cool that you can connect these without the need of having a receiver. This is the transmitter. Connects directly to the Osmo Pocket 3 and the Osmo Action 5 with nothing else but this. Which is really cool if you're on a budget setup and you're trying to really make things work. This thing's so small, I hope I don't lose it. This is what the audio sounds like on the DJI Osmo Action 5. Are we noise canceled? Are we canceled? Are we canceled? But the problem is I have to remember it. When I want to go make a video, I can't. Like when I'm getting everything together, I have to remember this. Like this will only connect to these two cameras. I feel like we just went like way more HD here. Oh.